This is the first thing that your trailer needs. Every trailer needs one of these. What is it, you might ask? It's a new tether. It's not going to drag the ground for your trailer breakaway switch. So your typical cable is about 2 feet too long, and here I have it routed through the safety chain. That's not my preferred method of doing it. That's what the trailer dealer did when I picked up a trailer. So I found this in my toolbox, which I commandeered from another trailer that I recently sold. These things run a high risk of dragging the ground because they're so long. It takes a little bit of special care and routing to keep these things from dragging in the ground, and that's why this one is routed through the safety chain. I don't know that I necessarily like this method of doing it, because if your safety chain's still hooked up but your trailer comes disconnected, it's very unlikely that this pin is going to pull. The only way this pin would pull is if your safety chain's disconnected, because you can see how much longer the cable is in relation to the safety chains. These are available in a 4-foot and a 6-foot length. I prefer the 6-foot because when you have a 4-foot, it gets stretched really tight. So what I need to do first is unstring this from the safety chain. Just yank it out and immediately get this one plugged back in. Super easy upgrade. I will have a link in the description below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. You can either buy this as a single piece or in a 2-pack. I oftentimes like to replace the carabiner that comes with them with a smaller diameter, lighter weight carabiner. These sometimes can be difficult to get hooked up to the safety chain loop on your trailer hitch by the time you get your safety chain in there, because this is large diameter and that opening doesn't open very far. Done. Super easy project.